What causes hangovers? If you drink alcohol regularly, there are a big chance that you will sometimes get a hangover. The term hangover is used to describe the symptoms that occur after excessive consumption of alcoholic drinks. The symptoms usually occur a couple of hours after drinking alcoholic beverages. Some of the symptoms of hangovers are headache, fatigue, vomiting, dehydration, nausea, and diarrhea. Different people have different symptoms. Some of the lucky people avoid hangovers. What causes hangovers? The biggest reason is dehydration of the body. The main causes of hangovers. You may be puzzled because alcoholic drinks contain a lot of water, and they still cause dehydration. Alcohol is the liquid that causes dehydration. The main ingredient in alcohol is ethanol. It is a colorless liquid that is produced by fermentation. Ethanol is highly diuretic. This means that it makes your body create more urine. This removes water from your body. The result of it is dehydration. Dehydration causes fatigue and headache. Drinking water may seem an obvious cure for a hangover, but the problem is that in many cases of a hangover, you will not be able to digest any food or liquid. Ethanol is irritating the stomach, and this leads to vomiting and nausea. Vomiting leads to further dehydration. Sugar and sweeter alcoholic drinks can contribute to the intensity of hangovers. Cocktails and mixtures of juice and alcoholic drinks can worsen the hangovers. Smokers usually smoke more when they are drinking alcohol. Some non-smokers also try to occasionally smoke cigarettes while drinking. Excessive smoking can lead to nicotine poisoning, and it can also significantly worsen hangovers. Many people can experience an extreme aversion to the taste, smell, sight, or even the thought of alcohol during hangovers. The range and intensity of hangovers can vary. It can last from a few hours to as long as a couple of days. Other important factors. Ethanol is also a depressant. This means it can cause unpleasant reactions in your body. Your body is fighting off the depressing effects of alcohol, and it tries to stimulate your brain to release many different chemicals. These chemicals have a bad effect on your body, and they cause tremors, nausea, and sensitivity to sounds and light. Your liver acts as the body's filter, but it can process only a certain quantity of alcohol in a certain duration of time. The high quantities of alcohol need a very long time to process. The severity of the symptoms of hangovers is depending on the amount of ethanol that is still present in your body. It is best to take a good rest after hangovers. What can you do to prevent hangovers? Some people would say that it is best to avoid drinking. If you don't like this option, you can try to limit the quantity of alcoholic drinks that you consume. You can also try to drink a glass of water between each alcoholic drink.